everyone, hope you all are doing great. In today's class, we are going to learn about coordinate geometry. Right, yesterday we have just started with coordinate geometry. I have just explained about what is coordinate geometry and the origin I have discussed. Then we have learned some key points, what are things is very important to coordinate geometry. Right, so once again I'll just quickly revise everything, then we'll be going to the next concept. Ready? Now, the horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called as y-axis. Next, x-coordinate, another name for x-coordinate is abscissa. Abscissa is nothing but the perpendicular distance of a point from y-axis. Y-coordinate is nothing but ordinate. Ordinate is the perpendicular distance of a point from x-axis. Next, if abscissa is x, then the ordinate is y. Then the coordinate, it will be written in the form of x comma y. X is the first coordinate, y is the second coordinate. Now, coordinate of a point on x-axis is in the form of x comma 0. The point on y-axis is in the form of 0 comma y. X-axis and y-axis intersect at a point is called as origin. It's represented by O. So coordinate of the origin is 0 comma 0. Next, the order pair. While writing the order pair, first element is called as x coordinate, second element is y coordinate. X comma y is not equal to y comma x. So these are the detailed things we have learned in the previous class. In today's class, we are going to learn about quadrant. What do you mean by quadrant? Quadrant is nothing but the coordinate axes are divided by a plane into 4 regions is called as quadrant. Okay, the coordinate axis divide the plane into 4 regions. The 4 regions are called as quadrant. So quad means 4. So the region, okay, the plane is dividing into 4 equal quadrant. Right, so here the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, the symbol for first quadrant it will be plus comma plus. In the second quadrant, minus comma plus. The third quadrant, minus minus. Fourth quadrant, plus minus. So keep remembering all this symbol for the quadrants. The plane is divided into 4 equal quadrants. Right, in the first quadrant, x coordinate and y coordinate, both it will be plus plus. Okay, plus comma plus. Second quadrant, minus plus. Third quadrant, minus minus. Fourth quadrant, plus minus. Okay, for example, if you want to plot any point 4 comma 4, both are plus, that should be in the first quadrant. Okay, here you can just see. Second, minus 4 comma 4, that is minus comma plus. Minus comma plus is belongs to second quadrant. Next, minus 5 minus 3. Okay, minus comma minus is third quadrant. Next, plus minus. So plus minus is belongs to fourth quadrant. Right? So by using the quadrant, you can just easily identify the given coordinate should be belongs to which quadrant. Right, so based on this, right, so we'll be solving the exercise today. And before that, we must know how to plot the point on the graph sheet. Okay, here I have given the simple steps to plot the point. So I have given only 4 steps, right? First, step 1, if you want to draw the graph, first you have to draw the x-axis. X-axis is nothing but the horizontal line. Okay, now the horizontal line is x-axis. So first step you have to draw the x-axis. Next, you have to draw the y-axis. Y-axis is nothing but vertical distance. Okay, so vertical distance is y-axis. Okay, so the scale, right? So mostly we can just choose, right, one box. Okay, 1 centimeter is 1 unit in your graph sheet, right? So you can just see the thick line. You can just mark it as 1, 2, 3 box. You can see like one box, square box. So 1 unit you can just mark. The choosing scale is depends on your opinion. Now next you will be mark the numbers on both x-axis, right? So this is 0 comma 0 origin. The right side of the 0 it will be positive in x-axis, left side it will be negative, so -1 -2. The same is above the 0 in y-axis it will be positive, below the y-axis it will be negative. Next, if you want to plot the point, 4 comma 2. 4 is, first one is, this is x coordinate, second is y coordinate. Always first you have to see x coordinate, then y coordinate. First you have to see x, then y. X coordinate 4, that means move 4 right. X coordinate 4. Now this is 4. Then 4 comma 2 in y coordinate 2. Y coordinate 2. 4 comma 2. So this is nothing but 4 comma 2. In x coordinate 4, y coordinate 2, this represented by 4 comma 2. So in the beginning you can just draw this dotted line to represent for plotting the point. By the practice, without doing this line itself, directly you can just mark. For example, if you want to mark 3 comma 4, 3 comma 4, this is 3 in x-axis, y-axis, 4 it will be coming here. Now this is, we can mark it as 3 comma 4, or if you want to mark 2 comma 3, now this is 2, this is 3, this is, we can write it as 2 comma 3, right? So you can just easily plot the point. Now we'll be just quickly moving on to the exercise. So the first exercise we already done in the previous class, right? If you missed, you can just have a look on the previous video. Now exercise 1.2, first question. In which quadrant does -3 comma -2 lies? Both are minus. So minus is belongs to which quadrant? Third quadrant. -3 -2. So it belongs to third quadrant. So you can just write third quadrant. Now second question, in which quadrant will you find x comma y when x is less than 0 and y is less than 0? So both are less than 0. X also less than 0, that will be minus, correct? Comma y also less than 0, that also it will be minus. So we can just say minus comma minus, minus comma minus. This also belongs to third quadrant. So this also belongs to third quadrant. Third question. Without plotting the point, indicate the quadrant in which it will lie if its ordinate is -6 and abscissa is 5. First you write the coordinate points. Ordinate is nothing but y coordinate and abscissa is 5. Abscissa means x coordinate. First you have to write x coordinate. So 5 comma -6. 5 comma -6, that is plus minus. Plus minus belongs to which quadrant? So this is, it will be in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. Just keep remembering this 4 quadrant symbol, so easily you can write the answer, right? Now fourth question. So which of the following point lie on x-axis? The point on x-axis, it will be in the form of, I have taught you point on x-axis, it will be x comma 0. Here which one is correct? So second one. Second only is correct, that is -6 comma 0, x-axis. Next, which of the following points lie on y-axis? Y-axis, the point on y-axis, it will be 0 comma y, that means 0 comma 3 is correct. Now sixth one, if 2 comma 3b is equal to minus a comma 3. Then what are the values of a and b? So always x coordinate will be equal to x coordinate, y coordinate will be equal to y coordinate, right? So we can just compare x coordinate with x coordinate and y coordinate with y coordinate. So x coordinate what is given? Okay, minus a is equal to 2 is given. That means a it will be is equal to minus 2. A is equal to minus 2. Okay. So the next compare the y coordinate, we will be having 3b is equal to 3. That means b is equal to 3 by 3. So 3 by 3 is nothing but 1. Okay, therefore a value, a is equal to minus 2 and b is equal to 1. Okay, this is the answer. Seventh question. Line passing through the point minus 1 comma 5 and 6 comma 5 is parallel to which axis? Okay, for example, you can just plot this point and check. Okay, minus 1 comma 5. Minus 1 comma 5. Minus 1 comma 5 will belongs to second quadrant, right? So minus 1 comma 5. This is minus 1 comma 5. Minus plus. Next 6 comma 5 both are positive, belongs to first quadrant. 6 comma 5, this is 6 comma 5, right? If you are joining this, so we are getting the straight line. This line is parallel to which axis they are asking. Okay, this is parallel to which axis? This is parallel to x axis, correct? This is parallel to x axis. We can write the answer as parallel to x axis. Okay, or by seeing the without plotting the point also we can just see here y coordinates are same. Y coordinates are same, so you can just say this is parallel to x axis, opposite. Eighth one, write down the coordinate of the point A, B, C, D, E, F as shown in the figure. Okay, so A is, so A point. So 2 comma, so this point is between 1 and 2. That means 1.5 you can write, correct? Huh? The point is 2 comma 1.5. 2 comma 1.5. Always write first x coordinate then y coordinate. So B point, B is minus 1 comma 3 minus 1 comma 3. C1 minus 3 comma, this is 1.5 minus 3 comma 1.5. So you can just mark this as 1.5. Next, CD1 minus 2 comma minus 3. E1, so 1 comma minus 1. F1 4 comma minus 3. Okay, right. So ninth question. So write the coordinate of a point. Write the coordinate of the point. X comma y format you have to write. Here the ordinate is 5. Ordinate is nothing but y coordinate. Okay, lies on y axis. Okay, lies on y axis. The point lies on y axis. It will be 0 comma y. Okay, so 0 comma y. So here we will be writing 0 comma y value, that is ordinate is minus 5. 0 comma minus 5. Now which lies on x axis and y axis both? Okay, which lies x and y axis both? Okay, that is origin. Okay, so 0 comma 0. This alone will lies x axis and y axis. Now whose abscissa is minus 3 and which lies on x axis? Okay, x axis always is in the form of x comma 0. Okay, x value here abscissa is minus 3 is given, minus 3 comma 0. 10th one, on which axis do the following point lie? Okay, in which axis? For this we will be using the quadrant. Okay, first one 0 comma 5. Okay, 0 comma 5. So this is on point on x-axis. That will be on x-axis. Correct? On x-axis. Second one 1.5 comma 0. Okay, this is y comma 0. Y comma 0 means this will be on y-axis. Okay, on y-axis. Third one 0 comma 0. It's the origin. Fourth one, okay, again minus 3 comma 0. Okay, this is x comma 0 on x-axis. Okay, on x-axis. This is again 0 comma x. 0 comma x. Sorry, 0 comma 12. That means 0 comma y belongs to on y-axis. Now this is x comma 0. X comma 0 means on x-axis. Okay, right. So now 11th question. In which quadrant will be the point lie if its ordinate is 2 and abscissa is minus 3? First you write the coordinate point. Ordinate means y-axis, y coordinate. Abscissa is x coordinate. Okay, abscissa is given minus 3 and ordinate is 2. That means here. Okay, minus plus. Okay, minus plus, it will belongs to second quadrant. Okay, second quadrant. Now abscissa is minus 4 and ordinate is minus 2. You must know the another name for x coordinate and y coordinate. What is another name for x coordinate? That is abscissa. Another name for y coordinate is ordinate. Now both are minus. Okay, both are minus means this belongs to third quadrant. Next, abscissa is 4 and ordinate is 3. Both are plus, so plus means it will be on, okay, first quadrant. Next, ordinate is 3, abscissa is minus 2. Okay, abscissa is minus 2 and 3. Okay, now this is minus comma plus. Okay, minus comma plus, it will be in second quadrant. Okay, second quadrant. Now 12th question. In the coordinate of the point A, B, C, D, mark on the coordinate axis in the given below. Write the coordinates. So here also we have to write the coordinate. Okay, how to write this coordinate? This is 5 comma 0. The point on x-axis 5 comma 0. Next B1 is, this is 4 comma 0. C1 0 comma 2. The point on y-axis. Here point on x-axis minus 1 comma 0. Question number 13. So write the coordinate of the vertices of the rectangle. So we have to write the coordinates. Okay, write the coordinates of the vertices of the rectangle whose length is 4, breadth is 3 unit. Okay, so length is given, length is 4 and breadth is 3 is given. Unit respectively has one vertex at the origin. Okay, one vertex at the origin. That means one vertex should be the origin here. The longer side is on the x-axis. Okay, the 4 centimeters should be on x-axis, longer side. And one of the vertices lies in the fourth quadrant. Okay, one of the vertices should be in fourth quadrant. This is the fourth quadrant. So one should be in x-axis. Okay, the longer side should be x-axis, that is 4. One should be in fourth quadrant. So now this is the possibility, right? Now, so we will be getting a rectangle. Correct? 0 comma 0, this is the origin. The longest side is 4 units, should be on x-axis. One of the points should be in 4th quadrant. Correct? Huh? Now write the coordinates. Now this is 0 comma 0 origin. Yes, now this is 4 comma 0. Right, now this is 4 comma minus 3, and this one 0 comma minus 3. Right, and also find its area. Okay, area of rectangle. So we can just find out area of rectangle. Area of a rectangle. So area of rectangle formula is, okay, length into breadth, L into B. L is, we can take it as 4 unit, and breadth is, so 3 units. So 4 3s are 12. Okay, 12 unit square. Okay, 12 square unit. 12 square unit. 14th one, plot the point and join them in order. Okay, what figure do we get? So join the figure in order. That means you can just name it as, this is A, okay, B, C, D, E. As you can mark the point A, minus 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 0. Now this is A, minus 1 comma 0. Next 1 comma 0, 1 comma 0. Okay, next 1 comma 1. Now this is 1 comma 1. Okay, this is B, this is C. Now D1, 0 comma 2. C, now this is D. Next minus 1 comma 1. Okay, minus 1 comma 1. Minus 1 comma 1. This is E. So now join them in order. What figure do we get? Okay, we'll just join A, B, C, okay, D, E, right. So we are getting what shape? We are heading, okay, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 side. Okay, 5 side, we are just getting pentagon. Okay, we are getting pentagon. Okay, 5-sided polygon is pentagon we are getting. Fifteenth one, plot the point and draw a straight line passing through these points. Again, plot the point 1 comma 1 on the same graph. Does this point lie on the same line? Okay, first we'll just check minus 1 comma 1. Okay, minus 1 comma 1. Okay, minus 1 comma 1, and 3 comma 3, 3 comma 3. Okay, so now we can just join. Okay, if you are just joining this, okay, join this. Now next, again you have to plot the point 1 comma 1. Okay, 1 comma 1. Okay, this is 1 comma 1. Plot the point 1 comma 1 on the same graph. Does this point lie on the line? Okay, is 1 comma 1, is it lie on the line? No, right? So it's not lying on the line. So this is going here, minus 1 comma 1, 3 comma 3. Here this is 1 comma 1 is not, it's not lying on the line. So they are asking, does this point lie on the line? Answer is no. Okay, no. Okay, 1 comma 1 does not lie on the line. Number 16, plot A and B are the vertices of isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle means we know that two sides are equal in a triangle. Plot this point on the graph paper and hence find the coordinate of the point C. Okay, we have to plot A and B. We have to find the coordinate of the point C. If the height of the triangle is 5 unit. Okay, height is given 5 unit. Okay, let's plot the point A. First A is minus 5 comma minus 4, minus 5 comma minus 4. Okay, now this is the point A. Next 3 comma minus 4, 3 comma minus 4. Okay, 3 comma minus 4, this is point B. Right, so you have to form an isosceles triangle. Okay, first you can just join, so A and B. Right, so now we have to find the point C. C is the coordinate point C, and for finding the point C, okay, the height is given of the triangle is 5 units. So how to find the point C? Right, first you can find out the midpoint of A and B. Right, so the midpoint of A and B, by using the midpoint formula you can just find out, or we can just easily find the midpoint from this. Right, here how much total, how much is the distance? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is the distance. Then half of 8 it will be 4. Right, so 1 2 3 4, correct? Now this is the midpoint. I can just name it as this is midpoint M. Okay, now say in isosceles triangle always the height it will be from the midpoint. Okay, the height it will be from the midpoint. Height of the triangle is 5 units, so from here 5 units you can just take 1 2 3 4 5. Now this is the height of the triangle. Okay, so 5 unit is the height, so we can just name this as C. Right, this will be C point. Okay, see, now this is C. If you are just joining this, so you'll be getting isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle. Okay, now what is the coordinate of the point C? This is minus 1 comma 1. Okay, minus 1 comma 1 is the coordinate of the point C. Now this is the height. Right? Now this is the height. We can just say what is the height is given 5 unit. Okay, now this is 5 unit. Okay students, hope everything is clear. So we will be meeting in the next class. Until then, take care. See you. Bye bye.